Hello everyone, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, do the CPU throttling test comparison between the iQOO 3 versus the OnePlus 8T device. Yes friends, both phones they do have the Snapdragon 865 processor, and previously I did plenty of speed test comparison as well between these both phones, and few of the users they are really interested to know how is the CPU throttling. So what it is like doing the CPU throttling in the OnePlus 8T versus the iQOO 3 device. Which phone will have better kind of performance? That is what I'm going to exactly show you in this entire video. So first thing is that I did clear all the background applications. As you can see, there is no background applications, and next I did put in the aeroplane mode as well. So both phones are in the aeroplane mode, as you can see. That's the first thing. And next is even the brightness also I did keep only 50% brightness, as you can see friends. And now let me try to open the CPU throttling application in both phones. So when I'm trying to use the CPU throttling application, I'm not taking help from any kind of game enhancement boosters. Yes, so there is no game enhancement boosters right now I'm trying to use. And I'll try to show you exactly the settings what I'm trying to use. Let me try to change it to 100 threads. So same kind of settings I'm trying to use in both phones. Let me try to go, as you can see friends, change the 15. Yes, perfect. So now it should be kind of everything is same between both phones, as you can see, using the CPU throttling application. So now let me try to go back and I'll try to check the temperatures. How much is the temperatures in the beginning? So right now the temperature is of 31 degrees, as you can see, 31 and 32. Not bad. 31 degrees I'm trying to get on the back side, 31.4 as you can see. And my room temperature is pretty normal. Room temperature is 30 degrees, as you can see friends. And let's check in the OnePlus 8T device, 31.8 degrees, not bad, and 31.8. So overall it's 31 degrees and 31. Both phones are kind of similar kind of temperatures. Only let me know to start, and you can check the battery percentage, 57% on the OnePlus 8T and 69% on the iQOO 3 device, as you can see friends. So right now this is a throttling test which I'm trying to do, I think after a long time in the OnePlus 8T device, and you can see the scores. So performance scores are slightly higher on the OnePlus 8T device, little bit, 3,28,000 up to it went. That's really great, but let's see. So let's not declare the winner in the beginning itself, because we need to wait until the end. So that is what decides which phone has got what type of throttling. So let's see, this is going to be really interesting, because I need to do this kind of CPU throttling comparison, OnePlus 8T versus even other smartphones if possible. That will give you the clear idea what is happening. But since these both phones are having same processor, same Snapdragon processor, I thought of just trying between these two phones first, and then I'll try to use this OnePlus 8T versus other smartphones in terms of the throttling and all those details. So try to use exactly my settings, 100 threads and 15 minutes. Try to use exactly as mine, and try to comment below in case if you feel any kind of difference is there from your phone to my phone. So in this way we'll be able to get to know. So right now it's been only 1 minute, close to 1 minute and 20 seconds. Temperature started to increase in both phones, and highest 35 degrees in the iQOO 3, 35.4, 35.2, and OnePlus also slightly getting high. So 34.8 is the highest. Let's see friends which phone will be the winner. So right now, as you can see friends, we're getting close to 5 minutes as well. Let's check the temperatures, how much it is in both phones. The temperature in the iQOO 3 is about 38.2 degrees, 38.6 is 39.6. So 39.6 is the highest temperature recorded in the iQOO 3 device, somewhere as you can 39.8 as well for the first 5 minutes only. On the back side 35, 38, as you can see on the back side as well, 38 and 35, as you can 38.6 and 39.6. I think it will definitely reach to 40 degrees very soon. Let's check how is the OnePlus 8T is handling this kind of 39.4, not bad, 39.4. 39.4 is the highest, 39.4. Just a little bit. I think in terms of the temperature, both phones are slightly close to each other. So 36 and 35, 36, 37.6 as you can see, not bad, 39. So overall friends, in terms of the temperatures, both phones are really kind of close to each other, but slightly higher in the iQOO 3, little bit, just a little bit is higher. So just few degrees only higher. And these are the graphs for the first few minutes, as you can see, 6 minutes. And you can see the performance score in the OnePlus, it's not decreasing, it's kind of like 3,40,000. Oh my god. So 3,40,000 and 3,20,000 in the iQOO 3. This is without using any kind of game boosters enhancement, just only normal basic CPU throttling application. So these are the results, as you can clearly see friends. So I need to really focus on the OnePlus 8T with comparing with the Snapdragon 870 processors. So mainly, yeah. So this is what I need to do for the next couple of days. I'll try to do those kind of videos comparing with the Snapdragon 870 chipset using this OnePlus 8T smartphone mainly. So I'll try to focus with the maybe iQOO 7, MI NX and Realme X1 Max. With those phones I'll try to compare. So basically I think this Snapdragon 865, it's kind of really good. So even now a lot of users, they are actually thinking of buying the OnePlus 8T instead of OnePlus 9R, because the OnePlus 9R, it's got slightly kind of heating and slightly throttling issues, little bit, but not much, just a little bit. So that's the reason few of the users, they are actually looking to buy the OnePlus 8. There's nothing wrong because everything is same, friends, except the processor. So to be frank, everything is same. So if you are getting for less price, then go for it, OnePlus 8T. Yeah. And right now the performance scores is about close to 3,15,000, 3,13,000 and 3,40,000 in the OnePlus. It's not decreasing. So again I'll be back after maybe close to 10 minutes of them. So then we'll be able to discuss in detail so what's going on with the graph and how much is the temperatures. So right now we're getting close to exactly kind of 12 minutes of time. Let's check the temperatures, which phone has got what type of temperatures. 40 degrees in the iQOO 3, 40.4. So 40.4 is the highest in the iQOO 3 recorded so far in the iQOO 3 device, 40.4 degrees. On the back side it's kind of close to 39.2 on the back side. 39 degrees as you can see, 38, and not bad on the back side as well, it's kind of 39.2. And the front side 40. So front side is the highest we did see around. And let's move to the OnePlus device. Let's see the OnePlus. So 40.4, that's the kind of highest. So that's kind of more than the iQOO 3 device. So 40.4 and 39.8 and not bad. So 40.4 is the highest. This time the OnePlus is slightly higher than the iQOO 3 device. So but the performance is not compromised. I think the OnePlus is going on. The OnePlus performance still, it's close to 3,30,000. That's kind of really great. As you can see, friends, the differences between the both performance scores, that's fantastic. And you can observe the battery percentage, how much is draining in both phones. So right now we are kind of close to 13 minutes exactly of doing this kind of CPU throttling test. Let's see. So this is going to be really interesting, friends. So now I need to focus more on this OnePlus 8T processor, which is a Snapdragon 865. So by comparing with other phones processor, that is what I'm going to do for the next few days. So now we are getting kind of close to this kind of test. Now it's kind of 13 minutes. So 3,13,000 and 3,30,000 in this OnePlus 8T device. So right now we are getting close to exactly 15 minutes of non-stop doing the CPU throttling. As you can see, friends, 15 minutes we are getting close. Let's see which phone will have what kind of highest and lowest. That's what I'm going to see. So till now we got the answer here itself. Because of the OnePlus 8T, we do have very high scores in the OnePlus 8T device, which is really great. And the temperatures and the final 40.6 is the high, 40.8 is highest, 40.8 is the highest, and in this one 40.6 is the highest, 40.8. Even the OnePlus also 40.8. So both phones are 40.8 degrees. So both phones same kind of temperature. That's the one thing you should definitely know about. So both phones same temperatures, and very soon we'll be able to end this test, and then we'll be able to compare side by side. So let's see which phone will have what kind of performance, and only few seconds. 3, 2, 1 to go. Yes, finally. So both phones, they do detect no CPU throttling. As you can see, friends, no. That's kind of really surprising to see in both phones. Snapdragon 865, that's fantastic. And the maximum score 323, 317 and 310. And the shocking thing was the minimum score for the OnePlus is not even the highest for the iQOO 3. If you notice in the minimum score, 3,29,000, as you can see, 3,29,000. You can see, friends, and 3,40,000 and 3,46,000. Oh my god, that's a huge scores in the OnePlus 8T. Even though the processor is kind of 1 year old processor, and even the phone also 1 year old, but still it was able to perform really great, really impressive. I need to do this kind of comparison even with other smartphones as well, so make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you are interested. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.